Hey everybody, Zach with Varment Guard Wildlife Services here. We got a call from the HOA for this building here for birds and vents. Watching these vents for a while, we've actually been seeing house sparrows flying in and out of these vents here. We do know that these are non-protected birds, so we are completely safe and legal to remove these nests. So today we're going to be getting the nesting material out of those vents. Now that we've gotten the big stuff out of there, we got this new brush on there to brush out any of the fine little debris. Now that we've gotten the small stuff out, we can switch to the disinfectant and deodorizer and sanitize and disinfect. And then at this point, we are going to install one of these magnetic dryer vents, which are flush mounted. We want it to match as best as we can and to make it look like we were never even here. The last thing we're going to do now is just caulk the perimeter of this vent. We broke the seal removing the old one, so now water is susceptible to get in these gaps in between the vent when it rains. So we're just going to caulk all this flush. It's also going to help hold the vent in place, but most importantly, keep it waterproof. All right, so we've removed all the nesting material out of the vents. We were actually able to get every bit of that out of there and sanitize and disinfect the inside of those vents, and then install magnetic dryer vent covers over the exterior, so no future birds are going to be able to get in there. So that's great news for the customer. I'm sure they're going to be thrilled.